taking a walk, and I wanted to share with you vision impaired, some of the sensory input that isn't vision. There's one right now. Oh really? Oh, there we go, the bird. And then the cars on the highway. Oh well, the one thing in video I can't show you is the sense of taste and smell. It smells very flowery out here, and it smells like nice leaves in nature, and the freshly rained ground with puddles smells super nice. Oh, let's pause and hear the sound of birds. Every time I film, the birds get quieter, and every time I talk, the birds get louder. You can hear the sound of the cars. It's kind of nice and soothing if you live somewhere busy. Oh, shh, shh, birds. And wind. You could probably almost sense the smell and taste. There's the wind. Ooh, feels nice. It's not as cold as they said it would be today. So I'm out here walking. Shh, birds. I figured I'd share with you some of the other senses for those who have lower vision or blindness. Y'all can walk with your canes or dogs and listen, smell, touch stuff. Depends. Ooh, birdies. So that's it. Vision impaired, the sounds, the sights, and the senses of nature. That's it. Bye-bye.